Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. I'm KANTHARAJ from NAGAR branch. Today I'm going to teach you how to calculate the present value formula, PV formula in MS Excel. So before class, we have been taught you about PMT formula. Actually, PMT formula is a payment form. It is used to calculate the EMI. If the person is borrowing the amount of rupees 1 lakh as the interest rate of 28% per annum, then the tenure will be 36 months. He has to pay the 36 months EMI, 3 years EMI. So then the EMI will be calculated as 4,136 rupees 0.36 paisa per month. So we can calculate this EMI by using the PMT formula. So by the same wise, is a PMT formula, it is used to calculate the EMI. And we have one more formula. Today we're going to teach you PV, nothing but the present value formula. So present value formula, it is used to calculate the loan amount. For example, if the person is able to pay an amount of rupees 4,136 EMI, 4,136 EMI as every month, then he will be paying the same amount for 36 months, 3 years at the rate of 28% per annum. Then how much amount will be eligible for that person? So if the person will be paid 4,136 rupees per month for the period of 3 years at the interest rate of 28% per annum, then how much loan amount he will be getting? We need to calculate the loan amount. So in the payment formula, we have the loan amount, interest rate and tenure. We need to calculate the EMI. But in the FPV formula, present value formula, so we have the EMI and the tenure and the interest rate. We need to calculate the loan amount. So is equals to PV, present value, open the bracket. The interest rate is 28% per annum. It is calculated as a 28% per annum. So divided by 12. It's nothing but a per annum, per year. So comma, tenure is 36 months, comma. So the next is future value. It is how much the EMI he has been paying. So he will pay from now. So count it as a minus and close the bracket. So we get the EMI of rupees, we get the loan amount of rupees 1 lakh. You can observe the 1 lakh, 28%, 36 months. The EMI is 4,136. The same it has been calculated in the reverse way. 4,136 is the EMI. 36 months will be the tenure, 28% per annum. Then the formula we got as the same value. If the person is able to pay an amount of 6,500 per annum per month, then he get the value of amount 1,57,143 rupees. He will be getting the loan amount. So if I change the value here, I can get the loan amount. This is how we are going to calculate PV formula, present value formula in MS Excel. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to the CAD NEST channel.